That's simply, guys, because we had Simone here with us. We wanted to step up things a bit.
Yes.
So we decided to do some wonderful shrimp.
And I hear she loves that.
She loves shrimp?
Yes.
Shrimp on the barbie, they say?
Yes, on the barbie.
We're grilling with Grace. And guys, we got some jumbo shrimp, and I'm going to show you how simple it is to punch some serious flavor into this shrimp. I am doing a honey jerk shrimp skewer. Honey jerk shrimp skewer. So it's real simple in terms of flavor and ingredients. It sounds fancy. It literally is some good honey. And I'm getting a marinade going. So it's some good honey you get in there. I have probably about about a quarter cup of honey.
Alright, I look like Toko honey there.
That's some serious honey there. That's some serious honey. Olive oil.
Okay.
Equal parts.
Beautiful.
Right. I'm gonna salt and pepper. I don't want too much salt and pepper because my Grace jerk seasoning is full of flavor. It's full of flavor. I have some lime zest that I'm going to get in there as well, just for that little freshness.
Nice.
And now it's time.
For the bad boy.
So, as I've been telling you on the show, Grace has a range of hot and mild.
Okay.
Are you a heavy pepper girl?
No.
I did not think so. So you know, I've known Simone for a while, and
mild is good.
Yeah, Simone just looked like a slight pepper girl.
Yeah.
You look like a slight pepper girl. That's why I'm using the mild.
Good.
And this jerk mild is full of flavor. So it's mild jerk, but when you smell it, Martin, you know a good scent.
I need to season some chicken with this.
You understand? That actually is a fantastic. We're doing that in another recipe. So you just kind of mix this all together. Get the honey, the jerk, olive oil, combine, mix, and get it all combined and incorporated together. The thing about this is that shrimp kind of just adheres flavors and it doesn't take long to cook. So all I am going to do to create these skewers, first of all, I have skewers that have been soaking. If you have soaking the skewers.
So why are you soaking them?
When you put the skewers on a grill, just so that you don't burn down your backyard.
Oh, that
if you don't soak the skewers, the skewers can catch a fire on the grill. So you soak the skewers for a couple hours before. If you're doing skewers on the grill, just make sure and soak the skewers in some water. So I have my shrimp here, and I have some fresh lime. This is no mats. This is a shrimp. Simone is a growing girl, so she will need at least 4 shrimp, Martin.
At least?
At least 4 shrimp.
Okay.
I just want to get a lime there, so I'm putting the lime on the grill, guys. So I just want to get a lime just to give off that nice little fresh flavor on the grill. And I'll complete it with another one like this. And I had a couple here. So with this now, all I'm doing is taking and brushing liberally.
Nice.
Make sure and get all the creases and crevices of the shrimp. Very important that you turn it over.
To get both sides.
To get
so
both
it's evenly
sides.
Coated on both sides.
I heard someone say, I don't know when last you ate shrimp, but last time I ate shrimp, I ate the both sides.
True.
Yeah. And with that, it goes straight on the grill. Just like that. Don't go anywhere because shrimp really doesn't take that long to cook. So I am just need just about 2 minutes on one side. Leave it alone. People, when they're on the grill, they're kind of looking at it and they want to poke it. Leave it alone. 2 minutes and then we flip. So 2 minutes, and just before I turn it, Simone just gonna do a little base again. Want that lovely mild jerk, Grace jerk seasoning to soak in there. And then it's just to flip. Flip, and another 2 to 3 minutes. It doesn't take long. Overcooked shrimp is a serious problem, and Simone will not be happy. So guys, fun on the grill with Grace, and Grace jerk seasonings really take your grilling to another level. These shrimp are ready. My final little glaze. It's a jerk glaze that has so much flavor. And I'm ready to plate up for our special guests. And these go right on a lovely plate of greens. Martin, if you Simone, can you eat all of this?
I feel like Simone better leave some for me, yeah?
So I'm bravely putting all for Simone.
That is it. Party done.
And see if she can handle all of this.
Wow.
Thank you.
Simone,
You'll share.
we'll share. I'm coming. Martin and I need a skewer each. Guys, and that's it. And that's it. That's a lovely dish. And when Simone tells you how fantastic the mild jerk seasoning is from Grace, it just pops and kind of just combines nicely with this shrimp. Simone, check this out. I just want to do one thing for you.
What? Papa.
What was the mystery ingredient that Martin put in that mocktail?
Was it ginger?
Nope, it wasn't ginger.
Good try, Simone.
It was elaichi.
Wow. Okay.
So the reason I chose elaichi because it kind of goes well with the burst of bold flavors together with these spices.
Guys, come on back. That's the main course of today. We have a sweet ending coming up right after this. Grilling with Grace comes to you courtesy Grace Jerk Seasonings. Jamming flavor.